Telstra 2020 program in Telstra is going through a transformation of our network into a future state. One of the things that we're interested in is to create a concept of a domain. And it's important to us because a domain is a certain shell that can go above the technologies we have in the network and abstract them and separate them from the IT systems. If you can look at this diagram, you'll see that we came up with this concept of a network as a service. The concept of a network as a service separates what are technology domains and network domains and operational domains in this layer from the actual consuming IT systems above. And we're doing that by actually creating a TMF and using TMF APIs to expose the services from the network domains out into the IT systems. And thus basically creating an abstraction layer. Our support of this catalyst was because we found that very useful and successful as we've used one of our suppliers, Sienna, to create a domain using TMF APIs and giving them into the IT system, which is used by Telflow, to actually consume network services completely separated from the network, thus creating the abstraction layer that we need and proving that we can move on in the industry and in our business and create more domains. We hope that through this, we actually achieve a certain uniform layer with TMF API and a standard exposure, which will actually take us to our future.
Okay, we took this Telstra network as a service model and we tested it out with an end-to-end network service. And our end-to-end network service was an E-line service as defined by the Metro Ethernet Forum. So the E-line service was built in strict accordance to MEF service definitions with one on-net end and one off-net end, and with a second use case that had two on-net ends. And for the two on-net ends, we had two different network domains involved in the delivery of the service. So we took the TMForum APIs and used those TMForum APIs to provide standardized touch points that could be reused for any type of network service, proving the network as a service model and proving that we could support the MEF standard service definitions through that model.